Hey, ISO, let's get it.
Whoa, clear out the room, I'm coming through, they wanna see what I'm about. Yeah, I got skills, do it for the thrill, I'm on a paper route. Extra, read about it, I'm today's trending topic. I put commas over bullshit, yeah, I put that on mamas. They tryna block all my blessings, they thought I lost for stepping. I bet on me and my team, ISO is what I'm repping. Put on for the whole city, yeah, I got them rocking with me. I bet on me and my team, ISO is what I'm repping.
Sending emojis, I'm blowing a pack of that OG. Don't be acting like you know me, and if you did, that's the old me. Winter time, rock a cold fleece, pocket fat, that's obese. Only talking money if it's increased. She give me brain, girl, no teeth. I touch down, bust down, she busted open for a real day. Stay Tommy'd up, tryna build it up, tryna count it up, hill figures. Don't be chillin' with no lil, no. And if I do, I be real with them. Chase a dream, that's a meal ticket. ISO gang, yeah, they still with us.
I put it in motion, they got me steady. Thoughts on my mind, it's weighing heavy. Watch how I shine, tell them I'm ready. I'm hitting my stride, let's get to the fetty.
Yeah, perfect. Yeah, I like that. Yeah.
That's why I like that one too.
Yeah, I like that. There we go.
Yeah, they work.
Just like that. Don't move, don't move, don't move. Yeah, perfect. That's perfect. Yeah. Yeah.
What's up? My name's Jake. My Instagram's oc.wrx. This is my 2019 Subaru WRX. I have a catless JPIPE, airlift performance 3P air suspension, JD Muscle carbon fiber suede wheel, ETS intake, Boom of BPV, some rotiform KPS wheels, 18x9.5 plus 38. Cybon carbon fiber trunk, the SUV V1 headlights and taillights, carbon fiber mirror covers, carbon fiber bucket seats, STI short throw shifter, suede e-brake boot and shift boot, GRIMMSPEED boost control solenoid, and I'm e-tuned by Torque Performance.
Dope, man. That's dope. That was good.
Right down there.
I like that. Oh, you don't? Oh yeah, no,
so you
yeah.
can see the street.
Yeah. I like that. I like that. Yeah, there's just subtle little things like all this stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you see how I fade in, fade it out.
Ooh. Plus.
All right, so explain what you got in the back.
So I got two Viair 444C compressors, a 7-gallon tank. I just wanted super simple, like OEM plus kind of look to it, nothing crazy. I didn't want any like hardwood floors or anything like that.
Man, this looks good. This looks really good. Look at this setup, man.
Oh yeah.
You're doing a good job, dude. I gotta be honest, you're doing really good, man. That was good. That was really good. That was solid, man. I love these.
Oh yeah.
All right, so really quick, tell me about these wheels over here.
I actually bought these off of Buddy.
Yeah?
These are my buddy's old wheels. Shout out Bricker. On IG, it's BRICK3R.
Okay.
He had a 2015 WRX.
Dope.
He actually just sold it to get an RCF.
Oh, okay. Yes, the RCS. Okay.
Yeah. So I bought them from him. They're 18 by 9.5 plus 38. Pretty typical wheel spec for these cars.
Subi, yeah. Subi, yeah.
Front fenders are pulled, rears are rolled. I'm on some 255, 35, 18
Damn.
tires. Stock control arm, stock sway bar, stock ENDLINKS. Pretty much just that bags.
That's dope, man.
That's pretty much it, yeah.
Dude, that is lit. So my man right here definitely did a great job, as you guys saw, with the taillights. Man, if you guys have any questions or need any help, he works at the Irvine Subaru. Just hit up this guy at his IG, man. You guys see the Subi out here. I really want to do a good job of showcasing more awesome Subaru builds throughout. He's done a great job of just all the support, and you guys all have supported me. So if you guys are interested, if you're in Southern California, please like hit me up. I'm down to just honestly film your guys' cars and show them to the channel, and just showcase some awesome people, man. So hopefully you guys like the video. If you guys like the video, hit the like button. If you want to follow the journey, hit the subscribe button. If you want to follow my man as well, please go ahead. I'll put the details below. Again, his information. Like I always keep saying, guys, go after your dreams and make them reality. Remember, be your own hero, because we all have the power to be heroes, and the world needs more heroes, guys. Let's get it. Peace.